Hello. In this brief video, we will walk through the process of creating a group override in an eClass quiz. A group override allows you to change the timing and availability settings for a group of students all at once in an eClass quiz. This can have a variety of uses, such as applying extended time to a group of students if they all had the same testing accommodation, or creating customized timings for different groups in your eClass course, if they need to complete the quiz at different times. For this example, let's assume that there's a course with multiple sections sharing one eClass site, and the instructor of the course wants a quiz set up so that each section takes the quiz at a different day and time. To begin, you will need to set groups in your eClass course that reflect the different batches of students you want to create. For this example, the instructor would need to set up groups for each section of the course and manually distribute those students in the participants list. Then, in the eClass quiz, the instructor can begin setting up the overrides for each group. For this example, the quiz time limit is already set up to be 60 minutes, and with the group override, we will set different times of day and days of the week for the quiz to be taken. To begin, click More, and then Overrides. On the following page, you will need to select Group Overrides, and then to create the first override, click Add Group Override. On this page, you can set up the details of your override. Select the first group you wish to begin with, and then enter the settings as needed. In this case, I will set the specific day and time I want Section 1 to take the quiz. With the appropriate settings entered for this group, I can then either save or save and enter another override to create a similar override for another group. With all group overrides entered, I can then go back to the Group Overrides page to see the testing schedule that I have created. In this example, the students from sections 1, 2, and 3 will have different time periods where they can attempt the quiz. On this page, I can also edit the override, duplicate the override settings for another group, or delete the override altogether.